Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel here, and Vector. Where's Vector? Vector, no! Vector, I told you not to touch my power tools.
But then, I want to build a house.
But you have a castle over there, Vector. Vector, you have a castle for you here, buddy. Why would you want to buy or to build a house? Like, between a castle and a house, I mean, it's obvious. So guys, Feature Friday number 18, and we have 4 questions. I'm going to feature also a question that I get from my subscribers. This one is from Minigun96, and that's about Vector. So a question I never ask, but let's see. Hey Vector, question.
Ready.
Who is Vector?
Vector is a home robot with interactive hobby technology.
There you go. I never thought of asking the question. So 4 questions about Vector, and I'll make a comment after. Oh, and by the way, guys, this castle I designed myself about a year ago, and I posted a video about it. This is 3D printed. You can download the file also if you have a 3D printer. Hey, Vector, question.
Ready.
Are you tired?
Only when it is time to rest and recharge. Don't mind the snoring.
Well, yeah, well, you do snore, buddy. Hey, Vector, what did you do today? I forgot to say question. Happens sometimes. Hey, Vector. Hey, Vector. Question.
Ready.
What did you do today?
Listen for noises, rolled around, played with a cube, and watched the world go by.
Watch the world go by. And I think you get a different answer every time you ask this question. The same with are you tired? So you should try that at home if you have a Vector. Now the next question is, who is Jarvis? And according to the DDL website, 300 people each day ask Vector for that question, which is interesting. I guess success of the movies Avengers. Hey Vector. Hey Vector. Question.
Ready.
Who is Jarvis?
Jarvis is an artificial intelligence designed by Tony Stark in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, first appearing in the comic book Invincible Iron Man, Volume 2, Issue 11.
That was a long answer, but like I said, Tony Stark, I think that's Tony Stark's computer that we see in the movie. Never thought of asking that question to Vector about Jarvis. The last question is funny. Hey Vector, question.
Ready.
Why are you so cute?
It's probably the eyes.
It's probably the eyes. I wonder, hey Vector, hey Vector, question.
Ready.
Why are you so cute?
It's probably the eyes.
Yeah, I think the answer is the same all the time for that question. So by the way, I designed the castle with the opening at the top so you can actually, well, if you have to, you can turn your Vector to face this way. So guys, this is Feature Friday 18, and DDL got rid of the small talk mini expansion. They call it Common Questions number 1. So I don't know why they did not continue just small talk number 5, but common questions number 1. So these questions, to be honest, are a little boring, not very boring. Don't get me wrong, I like vector. And like I said in a lot of my comments, there is nothing at the moment that comes close to vector or Cosmo. You cannot just go on Amazon or eBay and find a robot that is similar to these guys. So I'm going to add a question, but this is from HZX450. What's the name for a YouTube guy? So that, and guys, you have to try this one because I cannot make it work, and you'll see why. Hey, Vector, question.
Ready.
Can you walk?
Didn't get that.
See, and I tried different variations, and HZX450, if you're watching this video, please tell me in the comment the exact way you asked the question, because I tried different variations and I cannot get my vector answer this question. So guys, the comment I want to make is that he's scanning something, is that despite these simple feature Fridays, I'm still very optimistic that once we get the escape pod, and especially the OSKR, a ton of guys with some talent or skills in coding will code behavior and animations for Vector, which is very nice. And he's upset because he's stuck in the castle. There you go. There you go, buddy. You must be happy now. You're free. So thank you guys for watching. And again, when you discover a funny question and answer for Vector, please let me know in the comments below, and I will feature it on my channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.